living area. So yes, this is your spacious living area. So this is your long and spacious kitchen with super big, super grand master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Nico 61, which is located at Kogilo Main Road of Bellary Road for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 8 acres, and as you can see there are 5 towers and the available stories are 2 basement plus ground plus 17 floors, and the available units are 632 units are available. And now let's talk about the variants. The available variants are 2, 2.5, 3 and 3.5 BHK. And now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is just 2 minutes away from the international airport, and it is just 6 kilometers from the Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru. And from this project, the upcoming metro station is just 8 minutes away, and also the Phoenix Mall of Asia is just few minutes away from this project. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities such as clubhouse, gymnasium, swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, yoga lawn, walking track and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat called Nico Homes by the builder Bharatiya Harban, which is located at off Bellary Road, Kogilo Main Road. So let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see this spacious living area. So yes, this is your spacious living area where you can put your sofa and television unit and you can customize it the way you want. So yes, this looks super grand. And near the living room, you can find your balcony. So this is your balcony again, which is super long and super big, where you can spend your leisure time having your tea or coffee and you can enjoy the serene green view. So this is your balcony in this 3 BHK flat. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this is your dining area, which is on the way to the kitchen. So again, this place is super spacious where you can put your dining table and your chairs and you can decorate it the way you want. And now it's time to check the kitchen. So this is your long and spacious kitchen, which you can customize it using modular kitchen with a lot of storage spaces are available. And near the kitchen you have this utility area. So this is your utility area where you can put your refrigerators and other things. So again, this is super big and spacious. So this is your kitchen area, and now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat called Nico Homes. So this way to the bathroom. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a big window for ventilation, and there are spaces for storage units. So now it's time to check the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom, again super spacious. So you can put your bed and wardrobe and you can customize it the way you want. And this room comes with a very big window, as you can see, for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And this space can be used as a sitting area where you can sit and relax. So this is your first bedroom. Now let's check the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom, again another spacious bedroom where you can put your bed, your wardrobe, your study area or your dressing area. And again, this bedroom comes with this big window for natural sunlight and for ventilation. And again, there's a space, a sitting area where you can sit and relax. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and over there, big window for ventilation. And there are spaces under the wash basin which you can use it as a storage unit. So yes, this is your second bedroom. And now it's time to check the third bedroom, also called a master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tours, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly, 360-degree virtual project tour. And now, let's check the master bedroom. So this is your super big, super grand master bedroom. There's ample amount of space. As you can see, you can put your bed, you can put your wardrobe right in front of the bed, and this could be your study area or your dressing area. And yeah, it could be your television space as well, along with your wardrobe. So yes, you can customize it the way you want because it's super spacious. And this is the window from this region to this region. You can see that's the big window for natural sunlight and for ventilation, and you can customize it the way you want for sitting purpose, and you can relax and enjoy your leisure time. So yes, this was all about the 3 BHK sample flat tour called the Nico Homes by the builder Bhartiya Harban. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this project, as mentioned in the comment section below. If you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kinds of constructive feedback. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Aussie to know about such fantastic videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Nico Homes, which is located in Kogilu Main Road off Bellary Road by the builder Bhartiya Harban.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel